Look at this. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Getting through all this information one video at a time. It's better to spread the videos out because, you know, making one hour-long video, I don't think, you know, most people tune in. 10 to 15 minute videos work just fine. Tonic breaking out up 6%. The banks are failing. Tonic is showing why it was created in the first place, being a banking, the new digital banking system. One of the strongest altcoins that I've seen as far when it comes to fundamentals. Bitcoin is breaking out because of all the things that are happening, and Tonic is following as well. And we're sitting at $21.2 million in market cap. You take control of your finances with Tonic. If you're new to the channel, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell like I said. Leave a super comment, super thanks in the comment section. Become a channel member to further support the channel. I've been covering all of this since I've started to take covering Tonic and Crow seriously. I've been covering all of this, and it is playing out as time progresses. Everything I've been talking about is playing out one step at a time, right? And yeah, it is crazy, man. Crypto. More than 100 venture capital and investing firms, include Sequoia, have signed a statement supporting Silicon Valley Bank to avoid a possible extinction level event for tech companies. Extinction level event. This is why you know, the administration had to step in. The Fed had to step in to save SVB, at least its depositors, right? Because that bank's probably gone. We can see right here from radar, the BRICS countries officially overtakes the G7 in GDP. The BRICS, I've covered this in my previous videos right here with Xi Jinping, these two videos. India as well being a part of the BRICS. They're already overtaking the G7. This means the DXY, the dollar, US is a part of the G7, the United Kingdom. This means that the DXY once again loses its value, loses its purchasing power. Whoa, the dominoes be falling fast. That's me on Twitter. Y'all go support the Twitter. But yeah, that means the DXY is going to be falling, right? DXY is going to be falling. Bitcoin, stock market, get super bullish, start to make moves up because this is what they were designed for. Tonic follows, especially with the banks collapsing. Right here we have an image from Wall Street Silver. Iceberg crashed into us, SVB being one of the first, and this is what I mean by contagion. All of these other banks could fall as well. What is going to happen to the world if that happened? But the Fed had to step in. The Fed stepping in though means they're going to either pause the rate hikes and then we start to be bullish again, because remember we're only in this situation because of all the interest rate hikes that we got. They're either going to pause the rate hikes and prolong, you know, wait a bit longer to start raising again, or they're going to pause and make a pivot and they're going to start to add liquidity to the markets. Quantitative easing, meaning they're going to be printing money out of nowhere, out of thin air, and adding that back into the economy. And once that happens, again, the DXY falls. Stock markets, Bitcoin, crypto, Tonic, Crow get extremely bullish. They start to make moves to the upside. Jim Cramer saying JP Morgan is a fort. They had videos, right, where Jim Cramer said FTX was great, SVB was great, and both of those collapsed. Now that he's saying JP Morgan is a fortress, what's gonna happen? Right here, Signature Bank closed today by state authority, another bank, because of contagion. This is just my Twitter that I'm scrolling through. I've been keeping up with everything, so now I'm bringing it to YouTube, guys. Financial system is collapsing. Me and the homies when the stock market opens tomorrow, because you know it's gonna be bullish for the people that are invested in the stock market and crypto, right? There's gonna be so many people that is affected by the financial system collapsing. It's so crazy to me, guys. It's like insane that I've been covering this, right? And it happened so fast. I didn't expect these moments to happen so fast, right? It's almost like fate. It's almost like a divine thing. But yeah, I'm thinking about the people that will be affected by this, right? And it's not good. I just wish, you know, if you have people, you know, outside of crypto, maybe let them know, hey, maybe you guys should start doing research on crypto. You know, let them learn about Bitcoin first, and then they ease their way into altcoins. Then they will ease their way into Crow and Tonic. But yeah, on Binance, on Binance, Bitcoin made a wick all the way to 50,000. One person, one spot buy or one buy. Let me see if I could get the official tweet. I gotta cover this tweet right here, but there was one tweet that I saw. Hold on, guys, give me 1 second, because I'm trying to find the oh, I don't have it right here, guys. I had to find the tweet just to show you guys. From Lart Davis: someone fat fingered a buy order on Bitcoin USDC pair to $50,000 on Binance. Okay, right here, guys, I just had to find the tweet so I could show you guys. From Lart Davis: someone fat fingered a buy order on Bitcoin USDC pair to $50,000 on Binance. So you mean to tell me one person made a buy order and sent Bitcoin to $50,000 on its USDC pair? And people think Bitcoin can't go to 300K, 200K. If one man, I don't know how it, like, people in this space think, bro. Like, it's so crazy for projects to absolutely say, you know how much rich, like, wealthy people out there, one buy order sent wicked Bitcoin to 50K on Binance. Wicked one. There's so much money that is outside of the space, so much wealth that is outside of the space, guys. Imagine where Tonic would be at with Bitcoin sitting at $200,000, $100,000, right? You can't rule out anything in crypto, man. Always expect the unexpected when it comes to crypto. You really just have to, man. Right here, okay. Kiss your rate hikes goodbye. So right here, we have a chart showing why the Fed would have to make a pivot. They'd either have to pause the rate hikes or make a pivot, and that is bullish. You know, that is bullish for us. A Fed pausing the rate hikes means the market start to send once again. Okay, the reason why we had such terrible market conditions last year is because of the Fed raising rate hikes at such a rapid pace. And right here, so all the biggest on and off ramp banks for crypto collapse, and the Fed makes this change in policy. If you're in crypto now, your time is coming. Tonic, Crow. This is from me. And then from Wall Street Silver, the Fed says its new bank term funding program will offer loans to banks under easier terms. This is big enough to cover all US uninsured deposits. So what they're saying is the FDIC, which is an insurance fund, provides up to $250,000 for deposits. If you exceed those limits, they can't provide. If you have millions invested, they can't provide. That's a situation we had with SVB. Most of the people that had startups or funds in SVB, it was over the FDIC insurance limit. Now the Fed, the institution, government institution, the top elite wealthy, they're offering a program where you are protected even if it surpassed $250,000. Where they're gonna get that money from other than by printing it out of nowhere, out of thin air? There's no where's that money going to come from? And that increases the debt ceiling, lifts the debt ceiling, lifts the adds liquidity to the markets, crushes the DXY, the dollar. Bitcoin gets bullish, Crow, Tonic get bullish, and they go crazy, they go parabolic in the future, right? You don't actually think the government is going to let all those rich liberal Hollywood snobs lose one dime of the millions they had in the woke Silicon Valley Bank, do you? One way or another, they'll make sure the middle class pays for every penny. Watch. And I say they're corrupt and evil. And I really do believe so, guys. Bitcoin is fixing a very old problem with fiat money. Satoshi covered the events today in this post from 2009. Banks must be trusted to hold our money and transfer it electronically, but they lend it out in waves of credit bubbles with barely a fraction in reserve. And this is why we're seeing Bitcoin breaking out when the banks are collapsing, right? And Tonic is doing the same thing as well, following Bitcoin, because that is what Tonic was designed to be, the digital banking system for people on the Kronos chain or people in crypto altogether, right? This is what Tonic was designed for, and that's why we're seeing such a nice bounce in Tonic. This is what it was created for, and the price is showing it. Okay, never focus on short-term price, focus on utility, and Tonic is crushing it because of what is happening. From Gavin, this is currently outside the Silicon Valley branch in Massachusetts. People have been lining up since 6 a.m. SIVB. Look at this, guys. And this is the thing. I pray everyone is made whole. Everyone is okay, right? I pray everyone, because you don't want to see people suffer at all. You want people to be happy, everything to work out fine for every individual, especially, not especially, but, if that person is someone that is never hurting anyone as well, you want to see the best for every individual. But with what's happening, I hope, people start diversifying their assets. I really hope they start diversifying into different banks, into crypto, into Bitcoin, into gold, you name it. The smartest thing to do at this point is to diversify your assets. Or you could be ballsy and just go all in the crypto. You just be ballsy and go all in crypto. It's you either win on your conviction or you lose. And right here, been saying in my YouTube videos and got called crazy, I pray everyone affected gets made whole. Our leaders need to be held accountable. We need to stand up against this BS. And Tonic fam, Crow fam, we're seeing it right here with Tonic's price moving up. This is what Tonic was created for us to take control of our finances. It's only a matter of time till more and more people realize Tonic is one of those digital safe havens for future gains in the future gains, because this is what it was created to do. When the banks fail, Tonic, the disruptive asset, shines. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support as always. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support the channel, leave a super thanks in the comment section, donate, become a channel member to further support the channel, guys. And I appreciate all the support as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.